Hey, this your girl Monty, Love Beauty Goddess, coming to you with another DIY. Today's DIY was inspired by a picture that I saw, and I had 5 picture frames, certificate frames that I used from my previous project, and I decided to make this beautiful wall art. So the first thing you need is the roll of mirror on a roll and some bling wrap, which I got from Joanne. And what I did was just cut the mirror paper so that it will fit the picture frames, and I wrapped the mirror paper over the certificates to give it the mirror effect around all of the mirrors. So I used 5 picture frames. These are the certificate picture frames that I used from the Dollar Tree for $1. And so as you see, all 4 sides have been mirrored. I did that for all 5 of the picture frames. And then what I also did was bling the sides out on 2 of the sides. I blinged the sides out so you won't see the black part. I could have sprayed it or painted it, but I decided to go ahead and bling it out. I still had some bling wrap, so I'm just wrapping up the sides. Make sure that you cut it clean cut to the sides with a X-Acto knife to make sure that it fits properly. And I really love this design, and I hope that y'all love these videos. If you love my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe bell button so that you will not miss any of my uploads. And I'm just uploading videos. I don't know the days. I've just been really pumped and psyched about uploading. And there's the bling wrap. So you put the bling wrap on the sides, and it really gives it that beautiful effect. Most people use a silver bling wrap. I use more of a gold champagne because my living room and area has more gold than silver, which I love the gold effect. Prettier than the silver wrap. It just gives it a different effect, so I love that. And I'm just covering up those little lines where the mirror paper was there. That's optional if you want to do that. I just think it looks a lot better. And I'm just continuing on to just fit the bling wrap on the picture frame. So now you see the bling is on both sides of the picture frame. You don't have to do it on all 4 sides, just 2 sides, because the way that I have it arranged, you will not be able to see the other 2 sides because they're going to be inside with the way of the placement of the picture frames. So now what I'm going to do is just continue blinging it out. Like I said, I did both sides of that, and now I've done all 5 of the picture frames, and this is how I want it to be arranged. So I did 4, and then I put a mirror in the middle. Now the previous picture, the $228 wall art, doesn't even have a mirror, and I decided to put a mirror in mine. So I'm using the picture frame, which was from a previous project. I had already put mirror on it, so I'm just using it as a guide to put my picture frame at. It is going to take a little bit of time to get this to cure and everything like that, so you're going to have to be kind of strategic in getting this to stick. I pretty much had to flip it around, keep gluing it, and just really have to put like some bottles on top of it to hold it and everything. And I finally got it to cure, and it did stick. And so once you do that, I was able to glue down the mirrors with the glue gun, and it was able to hold securely, and I was able to even lift it up, and just beautiful. So I hope that you love it. And so there it is glued all together, and it really came out beautiful. I hope that you will follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my Snapchat is Love Beauty God, GODDE. Facebook and Instagram is Love Beauty Goddess. Until next time, love you guys.